Njengamanje nginosandile wakashange futhi siyakubingelela.
Yebo ngibingelele ezobusuchazile igama lami uSandile wakashange ngiwusihlalo weMK Youth League la eThekwini region.
Yes.
Thank you.
Mfokashange sibekwa yini la namhlanje?
Today we are here to support one of our lioness okududuzile Zuma ogcineke esekwazi ukuthi aboshwe noma siphume size la kuzo attend icala lakhe ngesizathu sokuthi kuthiwa uyena owe-accelerator i-crime during i-July unrest. Yeah, that's the purpose why we are here. We are here to support as the MK Youth League because uComrade uDuduzile, she is one of ours. She is one of the MK party, and we believe ukuthi justice shall be served. Mengabe ukuthi kunamacala azogcina ebekwa kubantu kodwa thina we believe ukuthi lawo macala wekho, and even icourt iyakuveza lokho ukuthi leli cala kahle kakhalchaliko. The reason ngisho kanjalo mfethu ukuthi ofakazi ekuyibona abavelile enkantolo akekho ufakazi onento ephathekayo even ephesini okuyena obe analyze lezi zinto zama Twitter noma ama social medias kulawo ma platform uyasho ukuthi no ama Twitters awewenza uComrade uDuduzile akayi accelerate noma aka penetrate I violence mayelana necala leli lokuboshwa kwakhe.
Ukuvela kwama tweets noma me-analyze vele ukuthi they are not instigating the violence. Lokho kubonisa ukuthi kushuthi icala libuyaphi.
Lento mina ngokwami ingitshela ukuthi icase iyonkana kahle kahle iphekiwe yaphekwa somewhere kahle kahle the people abekho against mhlambe ababopha uDuduzile ngoba bebopha uDuduzile specific but babopha uDuduzile because it is a reputation abafuna ukujeopardize. Ake sikhulume nje la lento ye-MK party. If you want to jeopardize the reputation of the MK party eyokuqala mungabe ubopha uDuduzile and accelerate into yokuthi akaboshwe uDuduzile icala liqhubeke kanjena leyo nto kwenziwa ukuthi ngoba ingane kamongameli ukuze kwazi ukuthi reputation ye-MK party iyehle noma ijeopardizeke iyona ndlela elula leyo ukuthi bakwazi ukushaya igama le-MK party. Naye ke nje umuntu wesifazane le ihlazo lento eyenziwayo okokuqala umuntu wesifazane lona njengamanje si approacha usuku okuyilona oluthi olufuna olulwa nalento ye-gender based violence kodwa currently i-state noma uhulumeni wase-South Africa is busy harassing uComrade while they know they don't have a case against yena.
Asikhulume nge-judicial system yase-South Africa uma ikwazi ukufika to a position whereby i-compromise umthetho wayo ngokuthi mhlawumbe i-expose abathile kuchaza ukuthini lo nge-judicial.
Into engayisho mina ngejudiciary ukuthi not only judiciary chief kahle kahle nje wonke ama system athinta iSouth Africa akadingi ukulungiswa adinga ukurerase and start afresh. We have a very serious problem when it comes to system. That's why whenever sikhuluma nabantu sihlezi sisho sithi no sina we are not enemies. Even ama organization or ama political parties we are all not enemies. The enemy esinayo iyodwa and is a homogeneous enemy of which is a system. Yes, so into engayisho mina ukuthi uhulumeni okhona njengamanje njenganomuntu ocontrola isystem noma njengane nethimba elicontrol system bengingakukhakambisa ukuthi asizame ukuthi lo hulumeni okhona ke simbeke eceleni ahambe ayophumula sikwazi ukuthi manje kube khona abantu abasha a new blood a fresh blood elizokwazi ukuthi lidile nesystem ngendlela ecorrect because into ebalulekile kukona kukonke into ebalulekile ukuthi akube khona ubulungiswa noma ngabe buqhamuka ngayiphi indlela but if there is ubulungiswa believe it or not izwe lethu liyohlezi lisendaweni correct.
Mfokashange uhlala eDurban phakathi eThekwini la sibona khona ama activities ahlukahlukene sikhuluma ngama drugs akhona. There's a lot of crime that is happening around ama drugs being the instrument which are instigating all of these activities. Lithini uvo lwakho?
It is a disgrace okokuqala ukuthi the people abaziwa njenganabadayisi bezidakamizwa or ama criminals, those people are funding some individual in the current governance. Into oqala lewe eyihlazo okukhombisa ukuthi kahle kahle ama drugs ngeke kube lula even umthetho ukuthi ukwazi ukulwa nama drugs if a minister wawa amaphoyisa kodwa kuyena ofandwa ama drug dealers. I understand ake leyo i problem esinayo kileyo if kuukuthi ama drug dealers wona afande governance okusho ukuthi ama ama-drugs into engeke iziphele eSouth Africa. Kodwa ngowami umbono kumele sikukhumbule ukuthi if unika abantu abasha ama-drugs usuke ungabulali leyo muntu kuphela, but you are killing the future of i-country iyonkana. Ukuze sikwazi-ke thina ukuthi silwe nawo direct ama-drug. Muthi uyabuka nje kuke kwakhona imashe yakhona imashini mash, thina as young people sikhathele abantu ama-drugs. Kubuhlungu ngoba these people are known, bayazi ukuthi osibani bane badayisa ama-drugs endaweni okunokuthi, kodwa ngoba amaphoyisa a-corrupt, ngoba ugovernment esikubona njengamanje u-corrupt, uyavuma ukuthatha ama-bribe from those people. Into ngitshela ukuthi ugovernment esikuyona njengamanje akasenendaba nokuthi kwenzakalani kwi-future yase-South Africa, but bafuna ukwenza ama-wills ey'ngane zakho ukuze mabehambe emhlabeni bakwazi ukushiya umcebo. They are compromising young people to enrich themselves.
Do you think this needs a political solution?
The political solution is always influential, kodwa into ebaluleke kakhulu ukuthi mina nawe noma ngabe ngiqhamuka kephi inhlangano thina njenganomphakathi njenganabantu abaconcern ngolusha nangekusasa lale country sonke sekufika isikhathi manje sokuthi sibumbane. Ukubumbana kwethu ke sizobumbana silwe nama-drugs, but asikwazi ukuthi silwe nama-drugs direct kanje ngobani kuzogcina kukhona abantu abalimalayo, kukhona abantu abashonayo. Into ekumele siyenze nje engaku-advise kuona wonke umhlali wase-South Africa, ake sibambane sivotele i-MK Party because siya understand ukuthi ama-policies and principles ze-MK Party afuna ukuzokhulula umuntu omnyama, o-colonized afuna ukuzokhulula umuntu omnyama, oyisigqila sama-drugs, oyisigqila sezinto eziningi ezenzakalayo ezingayiserve justice kwe-country yethu yonkana.
Next year we are hitting for the local elections, ohulumeni basekhaya. Uyibona yenza kanjani i-MK? Isiphetho ubona benivotela, ubona ukuthi u-third majority kuzokwenzala?
Ungibona ngithuli nje ngizama ukucabanga ukuthi isiphi isizathu esingadala umuntu especially omnyama South African angayivoteli i-MK Party, because the MK Party iyona ekhona njengamanje ekhuluma ilanguage yabantu abamnyama, ekhuluma ilanguage ye-future yale country. Mind you, iyona organization ethe ingekho emandleni as we speak, but it's always been on the streets i-assista abantu. Ngikhuluma nge-organization esinabantu ebasizile ukuthi kushimizi laphayana bayakwazi ukufika khona beyofaka isandla, banikela ngaloko abanako. Mina ngiyakholelwa ke ekutheni umuntu okwazi ukunikela ngalento anayo ukuze kukwazi ukusizakala omunye umuntu omnyama, le nto ikhomba lo muntu mengasenze ebesemandleni engenza okungaphezulu kwaloku akwenzayo njengamanje. There is a MK Labour Desk nayo isebenza kakhulu la eThekwini, it's been here for isikhathi eside isebenza lana, even though manje ikhona national, but sibonile ihamba ingena emafemini, sibonile ikhipha abantu bokufika emafemini specifically abangenayo imvume yokuba le South Africa. Kuthiwa abakwazi ukuthi abantu engebona base South Africa kodwa bezodla amathuba omsebenzi abantu base South Africa. All in all ngiqonda ukusho ukuthi i-MK is serving as abantu abaku government bengekho ku government, i-interest yabo i-interest yabantu at heart, abafune lutho oluyinzuzo. Into abayifunayo nje ukuthi akukhululeke umuntu omnyama njengane mandate esitholile kunqamalala.
Umfokashangeke ebesina usihlalo waseThekwini region kuyona ke i-MK Party besikhona si Durban Network. Sithi danko.